Welcome to today's tutorial. I'm just quickly going to show you how to achieve this using content aware in Photoshop. To start, I'm going to create a copy of the layer, and then I'm going to use the marquee, the rectangle marquee tool, to select the element I want to remove from the image. So I'm going to select modern furniture, go to edit, click on fill, content aware, normal, 100% transparency, and okay. Right now you notice that the space is filled with the closest element. This happens sometimes, and to rectify this, what we just have to do is we would select that place again and also go through the process of going to edit, select fill and content aware. Okay, so you have everything erased now. So now what we're going to do is repeat the process to remove all the unwanted elements on this design. So just keep on following the process. You can see that this part is also not very perfect, so we will use the clone to rectify this. So click on the clone tool and hold alt down and click on a place that is very close to where you want to clone over, and drag your cursor over to create the clone effect. To remove all the other unwanted elements on the design, I'm just going to repeat the process, and that is it. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends. Also, leave a comment if there is anything you think I could have done differently or that you think you don't understand. Please do ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply to your comments. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you in my next video. Bye.